I love it when I find a great deal. I know hand tools, and when I find a really great deal in hand tools, I get excited about it. Unfortunately, I don't find it nearly as often as I'd like. So several years ago, I may have told you, I found out about a company called PEC out of California. And what I liked was the fact that their tools were as good as some of the big brands, but considerably less expensive. I had a devil of a time trying to find them, but when I did, I bought a set of 4 squares, 2-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch. And believe it or not, if you watch me in the online workshop, I'm using all of these at various times, so they actually get well used. Well, here we now carry them in a set. And the price, as you'll see on the site, is a really great deal. It comes in a nice sturdy case. Your 6-inch, your 4, your 3, and your 2. I'm going to check them and I'll show you how good they are. There's one set. The second set is a much larger one. It carries the 4, the 6, the 9, and the 12. And when you compare the cost of a 12-inch square to what I have over here, this is my Starrett. And I think the new cost on this is somewhere around $700. I would never pay that much for a square. I bought this used on eBay for considerably less, but part of the reason why they cost so much is because of their tolerance. I'm going to show you something. We'll take the PEC 12-inch square, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a 1/1000 piece of shim stock because they claim that they're within 1/1000th of an inch over the length of that bar. So what we'll do is we'll put the 1/1000 shim stock in here, and I cannot pull it out. So in other words, it's making contact. And then if we come up here and do the same thing, it's making contact. Okay? So this works out to being about $80. This one's $700. You can decide. Buy them as a set. It's a great option. And while we're doing it, why don't we check this one as well? This is the 9-inch. So we'll set that on there. Take the shim stock. Put it in place. It's tight there, and it's tight there. The only ones that I've taken out of the plastic, but great value. Absolutely fantastic value for what you're getting. So there's the two. You can buy them individually. We stock them individually, or you can buy them as a set. But I know it's something you'll definitely get a lot of use out of in your shop.